Hello students, all of you are welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, that is Science Guru Sir Olom. And today I am here with a new chapter of class 8 maths, that is chapter 12, exponents and powers. And dear children, in this chapter we will deal with the various calculation with the exponents or the powers. So first of all, we have to understand about the exponents. What is exponent? So to understand the exponent, just look at the board. If we write it as any example 2 cube, here we have to understand that this cube, this is known as the power, this is known as the power or the exponent, and this 2, it is known as the base. Why I am telling this one? Because when we will start these formulas related with the exponents and powers, we have to understand this base and power. Most of the times we have to read and learn this base and powers. If we understand what is base and what is the power, then all the formulas will be easy for us. So there are certain rules for these exponents and powers. Just look at the board. These are very easy. If you understand it, it will be very easy for you. As for example, first we can take as a to the power n into a to the power n. Formula number 1, a to the power n into a to the power n. Now look, here bases are same, a. The bases are same. When the bases are same and in between there is multiplication, then power will be plus. So that we can write it as a to the power m plus n. As for example, if we take it as 2 cube into 2 square, 2 cube into 2 square, 2 cube into 2 square. Now look, bases are same, 2, and in between there is multiplication, so the power will be plus. So then 2 to the power 3 plus 2 equal 2 to the power 5. So we can understand that in case of multiplication, when the bases are same and in between there is multiplication, power will be plus. Now we will see what happened in case of division. Formula number 2, a to the power m divided by a to the power n. When the bases are same and in between there is division, power will be minus. So that a to the power m minus n. So what we understand that when the bases are same and in between there is division, power will be minus. So if you look at the example, 2 to the power 3 divided by 2 to the power 2, we can write it as 2 to the power 3 minus 2. That is 2 to the power 3 minus 2, that is we can write it as 1. Now next, formula number 3. Till now we have discussed when the bases are same. Now we will see when the bases are not same, then what will happen. As for example, a to the power m into b to the power m. Bases are not same, but the powers remain same. Bases are not same, but the powers are same. So what we can write in that case, a into b whole to the power m. A into b whole to the power m. Same case it will happen when a to the power m divided by b to the power m. Now again the bases are not same, but the powers are same and in between there is division. So then it will be a divided by b whole to the power m. So by looking these formulas, easily we can say that in case of exponents, when the bases are same, powers are not same and in between there is multiplication, so that we can do power will be plus. When the bases are same and in between there is division, power will be minus. Same when the bases are not same but the powers are same, in between there is multiplication, a into b whole to the power m. Same in case of division, a by b whole to the power m. Now one more thing you have to remember that in case of exponents or the powers, anything to the power 0, the result will be 1. Anything to the power 0, the result will be 1. That is a to the power 0 equal 1. Similarly, we can say the 2 to the power 0. Any number to the power 0, the result will be 1. So this is the basic formulas for the dealing with the exponents and the powers. Next, You just look next. Now, if the powers are with the negative exponent, if the powers are with the negative exponent, as for example, if we write it as an example as 2 to the power minus 3. Dear children, you have to remember that when you are trying to simplify, any equations and the power is minus, this is not the simplified answer. You have to make it positive. How we can make it positive? 2 to the power minus 3. Just write what is the base here? The base is 2. Just remember what is the base here? The base is 2. Just write the reciprocal of the base. So if we write the reciprocal of 2, that is 1 by 2 whole to the power 3. When we write the reciprocal of the base, the sign of the power will be changed. So we can write it as a to the power minus m. It will be 1 by a whole to the power m. Or if we write, if the question is like this, a by b whole to the power minus m, it will be b by a whole to the power m. So we can understand that when the basis, when the power is negative, that is the exponent is in the negative form, negative integer, and on that case, when we are trying to write it in the positive form, we have to write the reciprocal of the base. Very simple, just we need to write the reciprocal of the base. So these are some basic formulas from this chapter, and I hope this will be helpful for you for the exponents and powers. Thank you for watching this video.